Being electrical. Today we have a very interesting topic, Kaizen. In every factory, big wins start with small steps, and that's exactly what Kaizen is all about. Kaizen is a Japanese word that means continuous improvement. It's not about massive overhauls. It's about everyday ideas, from the people on the floor, that make work easier, faster, and better. Spotting a safety hazard, saving a few seconds on a task, reducing waste, all are Kaizen. Traditionally, Kaizen meant suggestion boxes, team huddles, sticky notes on whiteboards. It worked. But let's be honest, many ideas got buried, forgotten, or ignored. Now imagine combining the spirit of Kaizen with the power of artificial intelligence. Yes, you are thinking right. Welcome to AI-driven Kaizen, where every idea gets a voice, and every pattern has meaning. Let's walk into a real factory. Meet Ramesh, a shift operator at a packaging line. He notices that machine restarts after lunch always take 10 to 12 minutes, every day. No one questioned it. It was just how it is. But when Ramesh logs his observation into the factory's AI-based Kaizen system, boom. The system scans historical data and finds this same delay across shifts, weeks, even plants. Turns out, a software glitch causes sensors to recalibrate slowly after long idle periods. The AI flags it, recommends a firmware patch, and suggests a new startup protocol. In 1 week, restart time drops to under 3 minutes, saving over 40 hours per month across lines. That's Kaizen supercharged. AI doesn't replace people. It amplifies their insights. It captures even the smallest input, connects the dots across departments, and recommends actions based on real-time data. It ranks ideas by impact, predicts return of investment, i.e. ROI, and even tracks implementation progress. You're not guessing what works. You know what does. Perks: faster problem solving, higher employee involvement, real-time visibility of every improvement, cross-plant learning and collaboration, measurable gains in quality, safety, and efficiency. Kaizen is the heartbeat of a learning factory. And now, AI gives it a brain. Every operator becomes an innovator. Every small change becomes a big step forward. Because when everyone improves something every day, and AI helps guide the way, the factory doesn't just work, it grows. So, are you still waiting on paper suggestion boxes? Or are you ready to Kaizen the smart way? Follow us for more stories and effective lessons.